Hello and welcome to PTS Primo Charts. This video is about the scanners. One of the most useful features on PTS Primo Charts are the scanners. The scanners will allow you to filter out the symbols that have signals for a particular strategy. Each strategy includes an individual scanner. For example, I'm going to go to the strategy number 4. You will see the scanning option. When you click on it, a window will open. Same thing for strategy 3 or for strategy number 5, any of the strategies. If you own multiple strategies, it is better that you use the multi-scanner. The icon to open the multi-scanner is located on the first row of icons. All of the scanners have the same options. You can scan on different time frames. You can load any of our default list of symbols. You can load a custom list of symbols. You can scan for the previous bar or the previous day. With the column manager, you can hide or show columns on your scanner. You have linking options to the chart by symbol and by periodicity. We will explain this later. And you can load more than one list of symbols at the same time. We will explain this later. In this example, we're going to scan for symbols that have signals for all of the strategies. We're going to check all of the strategies. If you own just a few strategies, they will be highlighted in blue. And we're going to load the symbols for the Dow 30. After we load the symbols, we click on Scan. You will see the results as green bars or red bars. Those are the buy or sell setups depending on the strategy. Let's go to the strategy number 4. Once you have the results, you can click on the title of the strategies and the results will come to the top. On the scanner, you can also see the results as a heat map or as a pie. Or you can even look at the summary. We will explain the group table and the symbol list pie on a next video.